Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. You're looking at my 2021 Honda PCX. It's a 125cc. I've had this bike for just over a year now. It is May 2nd, 2022. It's a keyless bike, so that means you don't put a key into the bike. You have to have it on you to activate the bike. That's a safety measure. This is my second PCX, and I highly recommend getting this city bike. It is a city bike because of the engine size. If you want to ride on the highway, you need to get a bigger bike with a bigger engine, like 150cc. This scooter rides too. I keep saying bike because here in Japan, they classify this as a bike. I know it's a scooter. My PCX is metallic black. I'm going to pop open the seat. It's pretty spacious. Sorry about the mess. It can hold up to 10 to 11 kilograms of things. Groceries, books will fit inside. The backrest didn't come with it. That was from my old PCX. This bike is really fast. It has a built-in ESP Plus engine, which boosts its performance. So that means it makes it really fast. And that's my Tesla over there. Check out the large LCD screen. It displays the time, the fuel consumption, the odometer, and of course, the speedometer. It's in metric. I did a video about this bike when I first got it last year about the controls. So check out that video. Just go back to my older videos. This scooter is an automatic transmission, and it has a gas capacity of 8 liters. It takes regular unleaded. The fuel consumption rate is 55 kilometers per liter. So that means 1 liter of gasoline can take you about 55 kilometers. Pretty good, eh? This scooter has low beams and high beams, and it has a horn right here. Below that is the left and right turn switch. Okay, and to my right, this switch controls the idling and non-idling. And below that is the hazard light, like this, and the starter switch, and the brakes, and this is the left brake fluid, and this is the right brake fluid. There is a compartment to the left. You can't see it, but you can put a bottle in there, and there is a port for you to charge your smartphone. It takes a Type-C cable. It doesn't have a keyhole, so you can't lock up the compartment. And to charge your phone or any electronic device, your bike needs to be on. Before I take this bike out, scooter out, this is where you put gasoline down there. I'm not going to open it up right now. And to my left, right over here, is the footrest for the passenger. Still on the left side is a kickstand, like this. There's also a center stand, but I'm not going to show you right now. On the LCD screen, you can see 2 orange lights. One is a T, that is traction control for the back, and the other one is ABS for the front. This scooter, has 2 disc brakes. It is a fantastic looking bike, stylish, and over there is my Tesla. Sorry, that was my horn, that was me. The takeoff speed is very fast. The handling is awesome. If you try this bike, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's really easy to maneuver. It's really easy to handle. Just riding this bike, you'll feel the sturdiness of the bike, and you'll feel confident riding it. Riding the scooter up hills, especially steep hills, is no problem at all, even if you're double riding. I've ridden my scooter many times through rainy weather, and I have never had any accidents or any problems stopping. I tend to be a safe driver, a safe rider. I slow down. I don't brake hard on wet surface, especially paint or anything metal. Although I still have to watch out for asshole drivers. This PCX displays low motor oil on the LCD screen. Now, if you forget to check your motor oil from time to time, which I recommend you doing, you don't really need to worry about it because it'll be displayed, it'll be on the screen, it'll be annoying, so get an oil change. I jumped ahead and now I'm going to demonstrate going up a steep slope. Darn, there are too many cars, so you can't see me speed up, but going up steep slopes is no problem at all. So you can leave the other vehicles way in the dust. Turn there. Okay, anyway, this is a steep slope. I don't have any problems going up. Look. To my left are bamboo trees. Am I making a mistake? I think I should have turned right back there. I made a mistake. Yes, I made a mistake. I should have made a U-turn. Okay, you see the LED lights? Okay, from the reflection of that car in front of me. Go, go, go! Police. And over there to my right is my destination. I'll just park over here. Okay. Just turn it off like that. You see that key with the signal? That means I'm within proximity. You have to be within proximity of the bike in order for the bike to be activated. Okay, to lock it up, just do this and turn counterclockwise. It's locked. Okay, it comes with an ESP Plus engine. Shocks, very nice shocks. It's a very nicely designed bike. I highly recommend it. This is a Honda PCX. I may go for 150 or higher. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. By the way, this backrest did not come with it. This was from my old PCX. Okay, so They installed it for free because I bought this bike brand new. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.